Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use glycerin to keep your skin tight, young, shiny and spotless. You all know that glycerin has been the most popular beauty essential over the years because it adds great value to your skin. It keeps skin hydrated, soft, glowy and glossy. Along with that, it helps in diminishing fine lines, wrinkles and scars. So let's explore how you can put this ingredient into best use. So I'll show you the 3-step formula to use glycerin. You can follow any one, but if you follow all the 3 steps, you will see a magical effect taking place in your skin. So step 1 is cleansing. So mix 2 teaspoons of rose water with a small amount of glycerin, approximately half teaspoon. Now with the help of a cotton ball, softly swipe across your face. Repeat if needed. Glycerin gently removes dirt, oils and makeup from your skin without dehydrating your skin. Leaves skin clear and soft. Now moving on to the second step, we'll prepare a skin firming, brightening, whitening, glowing face mask. So in a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of kaolin clay, also known as cosmetic clay. Then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin and enough milk to get a smooth consistency. Just smooth it on your face and neck. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then rinse off with water. Glycerin is one of the most popular anti-aging treatment. It helps deal with premature aging signs. This face pack nourishes skin, lightens, brightens complexion instantly and gives you a younger looking glowing skin. Now moving on to the third step is moisturizing. Now when it comes to moisturizing, glycerin is one of the most effective moisturizers as it helps your skin absorb moisture from the air. So in a bowl, combine half teaspoon of glycerin with half teaspoon of vitamin E oil and 1 small teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix well. Use this concoction to moisturize your skin. If you don't want to moisturize your skin this way, you can also combine a few drops of glycerin to a favorite moisturizer. So friends, if you're looking for an inexpensive way to get fabulous skin, then you must try to include glycerin in your daily skincare routine. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Try and share your results with me. To see more such interesting tips, hacks and beauty remedies, hit the subscribe button. Take care and bye.